Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I really appreciate you joining. Folks, today I thought I would fire up my Weber Smokey Mountain. I actually do have it up to temp. She's about 275, 280 Fahrenheit right now. We're doing some chicken leg quarters and we're trying out a brand new rub. Should be a great video. Y'all stick around, we'll be right back.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
All right, there's my leg quarters. I got 5 of them, and hadn't really done anything to them other than peel this skin up just a little bit because I want to check out this rub. It's I've actually used it before. It's really good. This particular one is really good on chicken, but it's also great on pretty much everything else. I put it on my fajita meat, put it on steak, put it on some shrimp, put it on chicken, of course. About the only thing I haven't done is have I? Yeah, I think I did actually put this on some baby back ribs too. This is the new Bald Buck, folks. Baldbuck.com. This is the slow burn. All right. And again, he's running a special right now for my fans only. So y'all stick around to the very end and I will mention what's going on with that. I'm going to throw some of this. I like my chicken seasoned, folks. So I like to throw a little bit of it up under the skin and on top. You know, kind of like that. And this, what he told me about this slow burn is that the more you eat of this, the spicier it should be. So, man, I need to get some dang fly traps out here. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and get these chickens kind of seasoned up as best I can here in between the flies. I need to put me some fly traps out. And we will be right back and we'll throw this on the Weber Smokey Mountain. All right, and I got my Weber Smokey Mountain again. She's up to about 275, which is right here. Just slightly past it, so maybe 280. All right, let's get that chicken on. I've already got my my grates scraped down. I do have water in my water pan. I mean, just gorgeous color on this chicken, folks. And like I said, I've already tried this on chicken and it is fabulous. There you go. So I'll put the lid back on here shortly and just let this baby cook, and I will bring y'all back once this chicken's about ready to eat, okay? So y'all stay tuned. It's been a little over 2.5 hours, maybe 2 hours, 40 minutes, something like that. And you can see we're holding 300. That's cool. And about a half hour ago, I did spray this all down with just some of the little spray butter in the bottle, you know, kind of gave it a little spritz. Let's check these out. And I did rotate this around a little bit. I found this one, even though it's small, was not actually, is like going to be the last one done. So let's check the temp on this one, because I know it was lower than the rest of them a while ago. 275. It's got to be done, man. You can always take, oh yeah, that's done. When you move the leg, if the leg moves easily in the joint, that's another good sign that it's done. And I know the rest of these are done. I checked them earlier. See, that's almost 200. All of these are going to be close to 200 probably. At 192. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these off. That's actually cooled down a little bit. It was actually like a 192 earlier. 172. Yeah, temps are all over the place, but folks, again, you take the leg, you can move the leg pretty easily in there. That's done. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these off. We're gonna let these babies rest a little bit, and folks, we'll be right back and we'll give these a taste and see what they taste like. All right, folks, got my piece of chicken here. Looks gorgeous, and man, it smells really good. And it's rested maybe 5 minutes, so it's still fairly tender and warm. So let's give it a shot. And y'all wait till the end. Again, got a little promo for this rub, y'all. Just chill out. Check out this this Husk knife, H-U-U-S-K. Wonderful knife. See if we can cut us get out of here. Look at there, look at there. There we go. Alright, we're going for the drum first. The leg. And Chris over at Bald Buck, he said the more you eat this, the more intense the pepper flavor. So we're going to check it out. Here goes nothing. I'm kidding. Here goes something. Skin is bite through. So love that. Got a little pepper. I feel it on my lips a little bit. Would this be safe for kids? I'd say no. So if you got kids, try the try just the Bold, which was his original over at Bald Buck. It's got some heat to it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. I can't handle the heat like I used to, but we're gonna, you know, for all you folks out there, here we go. It's not crazy hot, you know. It's just got some spice. In fact, when you're shaking that rub on the chicken earlier, I was smelling the pepper. Definitely not for kids. It is a slow burn, as Chris was saying. Chris, that's interesting, bro. It's like it's so good you can't quit eating it. But it's definitely got some heat to it in the background. Man, good job, Chris. Good job, bro. That's thumbs up right there. Yeah. More I'm eating it, more intense that pepper. Alright, that's good, y'all. Yeah, my nose is running a little bit. Folks, Bald Buck, slow burn. Get you some. Chris over at baldbuck.com has created a promo code. It's T-Roy, T-Roy. So when you go to check out, you know, you order some of this slow burn. When you check out, use the promo code T-Roy. You'll get one bottle for free if you're one of the first 50 of my fans that go to his website, baldbuck.com, and enter promo code T-Roy. After 50, he's shutting off that promo code, so you have to pay regular price. And I think he always has free shipping, but check it out. If you're interested, baldbuck.com, promo code T-Roy, T-Roy. Appreciate y'all watching. This is fabulous stuff, and Chris, thanks again for letting me do this review for you. This is awesome. I really like it on beef. I like it on pork. I like it on seafood. Get you some, folks. Baldbuck.com, slow burn. And don't forget about his original one, the Bold. Really, really good as well. So thanks again. Hope y'all enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subbed, why not? Go ahead and subscribe. It's free, man. It's free. But give me a thumbs up. Hope you share the video, and when you do, please tell all of your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. Cheers, everybody. We'll see y'all next time. Soon, I hope. Cheers.